how to make flowers out of paper. This one's a little bouquet. Are you ready? Lily, how lovely of you to show everyone how to make sticky note flowers, or the little mini ones. You could actually do any size though. This is the zigzag for the leaves.
Yep. See that I'm doing one right now?
And you roll it. How to roll it? Like a burrito or sushi. Should we show them how to roll one? First, pick your color flower. This is my blue flower. And there is my zigzag line for the leaves.
I did a lot.
Lily did a lot, and she's 4. She could do it, you could do it. All right, to do the zigzag leaves, someone said, Mrs. Smith, I can't do it. Can you do it for me? No, I can't do it for you. If Lily can do it, you can do it. But I can teach you how to do it. All right, so if this is the actual green paper, which you can actually cut green paper, you don't have to have a sticky note. She did it. Ta-da, she did a lavender one. You go with the tip in and out.
And I also did this one. And this
She's zigzag.
one.
All right, can you show them how to roll it?
Oh.
So pick a color.